Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go on Guitar. Alec Benjamin here in a little. And we're gonna do this very short, guys. So 4 chords, capo on third, and it goes in the same with the entire song. We'll love that scenario. Let's take a look at the chords. So you're gonna start here with A minor. That's the first chord. So A minor is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. All right, now comes the E minor. All right, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Of course, we need a bar chord here. This is the F. So you're gonna play the first fret here, bar that one, all strings, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And speaking of G, that's the last chord here. Fourth, so it will be third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E. All right, so we're gonna play a strumming pattern. If you go to A minor, that's the first chord. It goes down, up, then clap, up, down, up. So down, up, then comes the clap, up, down, up. You put this together, it will be so if you speed up a couple rounds. And that's what you're gonna do, all right? You're gonna play one string around per chord in the same order we learned, A minor, E minor, F, and G through the entire song. It goes like this. So it doesn't have to be harder than that. Play a great song. Alec Benjamin's in a little. Good luck with this one. Play tuned.